Hey Cornelius, it's such a dreary day just to stay inside and play video games or something, especially after last week running around chasing that insane LOL fairy around. I'm still exhausted. I mean, the other option is to open a toy. Video game? LOL? Wonder what could happen. LOL surprise? Boys? Arcade heroes? It's a little arcade machine. I don't know what these are, but there's one way to find out. Let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. You all know Cornelius. And today we're bringing you LOL Surprise Boys Arcade Heroes by MGA Entertainment. So this is part of the LOL series, but this is the LOL Boys. I know a lot of girls and everybody, non-gender specific people that like to play video games. So I don't know why it's just boys, but I'm kind of in it, not just for what's inside, but it does appear that there's some sort of arcade system which may or may not be used to build an arcade for my X-Men. Well, let's open up. So, before I destroy it, it does look like I think it shows you who you get on the bottom. We will find out when we open it. Unbox me. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, that's cool. It is a legit, old school arcade machine. And you can see the figure you're getting in the screen where the video game would be. But we're talking like buttons and little joystick. This looks like something you'd see in the mall arcade. Oh my god, I love it. I guess it shows on the side who's in there as well. There's some sort of, an arcade token. Okay. I'm gonna put it in this. Inserting the coin opens the front. Oh my god, that's cool. Okay, I'm bringing this close because this is amazing. If you can see, this is just kind of a piece of cardboard with an incline, and that's how the figure is sat in there. What's crazy? It spins and then clicks into place. So when you put it back together, it actually kind of gives you the image of a video game, including choose your hero, like the character select option screen. Oh my god, this is insane. I love it. We have Gear Guy in streetwear and his armor up form. There's some stats and stuff. I don't know what that means. Ooh, cool little poster. And it shows the other figures in the line, which do include, there are a variety of genders, not just boys like it says on the front. So, okay, awesome LOL. This is Baddie Bro, and Chaos is his armor. Oh, this one's titanium armor. Okay, let's open these up. That's what I was afraid of. Right off the bat, the armor doesn't stay on well. And what I thought was this large figure, I was like, LOL dolls are usually shorter and stubbier. Here's the robot leg. Here's his stubby little leg and his stubby little arm. That is hilarious. They not have pants? What am I missing? Oh my god. I was like, these things just have no pants. And it showed something about a water bottle. The screen up top, that I thought was going to be cool to keep, you have to rip open for the rest of the pieces. It's time to play dress up. Again, a mess. Make it a big old mess. Okay, this one came with pants, shirt, shoes, drink, fanny pack. This one came with pants, shirt, shoes, and a little book, which is kind of cool. Let's get him in some regular clothing, because again, first thing right off the bat, this armor does not stay on well at all. Take his underwear off, put pants on. Not usually how it works, but okay. Oh. Oops. That goes right back on. Oh! Forewarning, parents, there anatomically correct, boys. So keep that in mind depending on who you're buying them for, if you're okay with that. I'm slightly disturbed. But okay, that was a thing that just happened. Alright, let's get our other friend. See if this one we can open without destroying everything. See, already the armor is starting to unsnap. It comes in its armor. And enjoy it, because that's about it. Good luck trying to keep it back on, or put it back on and keep it on. So when in their armor, you get a cool figure, and it's got some articulation. This one's actually, oh, okay. But it's like, neat. The moment you would try and play with it, it just starts to kind of fall apart. Oh my god, that's definitely more pieces than necessary. Kind of 90s nerd outfit, like cyberpunk outfit over there. Get the shoes on. Okay, so what's kind of cool is it does look like you can mix and match. But again, it is infuriating trying to get these pieces on. Overall, I gotta say, my favorite thing was the packaging. But as for the figures, if you are a collector of LOL dolls, I've got to say these characters, just even without the mech parts, are actually some really cool designs. They're very bright, very colorful. If you're going in for like a robot and an action figure, that I don't recommend as much, because again, it is really cool. So there's a lot going on here. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More large-headed, large-eyes creatures that come straight out of a video arcade. I gotta say, the coin push thing, that was cool. Oh, and they spit. If you get a chance, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And it really helps the channel out. And comment, let us know what your favorites are. So, thanks again, and we will see you next time. Bye! And here we have the LOL Surprise Boys Arcade Heroes. And usually I would show shots of like in the armor and out of the armor. But we all know I do not have the time or patience to put that back together. So, there you go. Human form next to a pile of mecha rubble.